A financial geoportal can be defined as a digital platform that integrates financial information with geographic data, allowing interactive visualization of projects, investments, risks, and opportunities in a given territory. Unlike traditional financial analysis, these tools add a spatial dimension that makes it possible to identify areas of influence and assess the territorial impact on companies, markets, and investors. Some major technology companies have already pointed out that the financial sector will become one of the main consumers of Earth observation data in the next decade, reaching a market of more than $1 billion in global revenues by 2031. The development of financial geoportals is part of the emerging trend known as spatial finance, understood as the integration of geospatial data into financial theory and practice. The combination of stock market information, technical data, and geospatial models opens new possibilities for the analysis of risks and opportunities. Previously, there was no accessible stock geoportal with real-time information for each stock. The prototype consisted of a geoportal that combined financial analysis, technical analysis, and geospatial analysis within an interactive interface. Simple to use but robust in performance. Thanks to such developments, it became possible to analyze large volumes of data, providing access to complex information that was usually reserved for major financial institutions, with the staff and equipment needed to process this type of data. The ability to spatially locate companies listed on stock exchanges and their areas of influence enriches investment evaluation. It is not only about analyzing typical financial indicators, but also understanding where companies are located, under which jurisdictions they operate, and what geopolitical, regulatory, or environmental risks may affect their performance. In addition, their areas of influence can be visualized, offering a territorial perspective that promotes more responsible, ethical, and well-founded decision-making. In practice, the discipline of spatial finance has begun to show its potential through the use of remote sensors, satellite imagery, and artificial intelligence. Banks, insurers, and investment funds are using data from drones, satellites, and sensors to assess the sustainability of their portfolios, measure environmental impacts, detect illegal activities such as unauthorized mining, or anticipate risks of natural disasters. In this sense, financial geoportals are not only a technological innovation in market visualization and analysis, but also a strategic tool to guide investments toward more sustainable and resilient models. By integrating financial and geospatial data, they provide a holistic understanding of risks and opportunities, aligned with the growing interest in responsible investments under environmental, social, and governance criteria. What is the purpose of the financial geoportal of TradeGainers.com? The geoportal engine works 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, to offer users several key functions. Visualization of updated financial data on thematic maps, where each company is represented as a georeferenced marker. Color scales indicate its financial health, calculated in different ways with data ranging from accounting books to national statistics and territorial location. Monitoring of projects or companies, users can track balance sheets, cash flows, basic metrics such as returns on equity and assets, dividends, and even compare sectors and countries. Risk analysis, it helps detect economic, geopolitical, or socio-environmental risks associated with investment locations. Access to public and educational information, it not only presents data, but also interprets financial and technical indicators, educating users as they navigate. Today, it is available on the web thanks to the decades of experience of TradeGainers.com, which now offers this innovative financial geoportal. Its operation combines 3 blocks. The data and analyses performed may vary since they are constantly evolving, but essentially, the geoportal engine reviews companies' accounting books and financial data such as balance sheets, income statements, cash flows, historical prices, and others. It also collects country-level information ranging from inflation, GDP, and employment statistics to consumption. In addition, geospatial data are considered, such as the location of companies and their areas of influence. The integration of global satellite imagery, the INSPIRE program for European areas, and equivalent programs worldwide is being evaluated. All this information is processed and analyzed, producing multiple outputs, such as tables with daily rankings of companies with the analysis engine's recommendation to buy, sell, or keep under watch, thematic maps and charts, technical and fundamental analysis of companies. You can contact us through the website. And if you subscribe, you will gain access to more videos with news about the financial GeoPortal, as well as educational materials designed to teach you how to invest in the stock market ethically, safely, and with a higher probability of success.